Close your eyes for just a second. Actually, keep them open, because what you are about to hear is going to completely ruin normal reality for you. We all thought we knew what virtual reality felt like. We thought Quest 3 was the ultimate sweet spot for gaming. We thought the Apple Vision Pro was the untouchable luxury standard that would take a decade to beat. But we were wrong. Mark Zuckerberg and the Reality Labs team at Meta have been quietly operating in the shadows, taking notes, analyzing every single flaw of their competitors, and what they are preparing to unleash with the Meta Quest 4 isn't just a simple hardware upgrade. It is an absolute massacre of the VR market as we know it, and it is going to change the way you game, work, and interact with the digital world forever. If you think you know what to expect from the next generation of VR, wipe the slate clean. What I am about to reveal to you today involves leaked specs, insider whispers, and technological breakthroughs that will make your current headset feel like a heavy, pixelated dinosaur. In this video, because the details I am going to share about the new neural interface and the true retail price will completely change your mind about buying any other tech gadget this year. You do not want to miss this. Let's rewind for just a moment to understand the magnitude of what is happening here. When the Quest 2 dropped, it brought VR to the masses. It was cheap, it was accessible, and it put a headset in millions of living rooms across America. Then came the Quest 3, which introduced us to full-color mixed reality. Suddenly, the digital world was bleeding into our physical living rooms. But there was a massive elephant in the room, and its name was Apple. Apple dropped the Vision Pro with a $3,500 price tag, flexing dual micro-OLED displays, seamless eye tracking, and an interface that felt like pure magic. Meta watched this happen. They saw the hype, they saw the ridiculous price tag, and they saw exactly what consumers actually wanted. The Meta Quest 4 is Meta's direct, aggressive answer. It is the headset designed to take Apple's most premium features, refine them for hardcore gamers and everyday users, and offer them at a price that actually makes sense. Let's talk about the absolute most important part of any headset: the display, the screen you are strapping to your face. If you have used previous generation headsets, you know the struggle. The dreaded screen door effect, the slight blurriness around the edges, the eye strain after an intense 2-hour gaming session. Forget all of that. The Meta Quest 4 is heavily rumored to be making the leap to next-generation micro-OLED technology, or at the very least, an insanely advanced localized dimming mini-LED display that mimics OLED blacks. What does this actually mean for you? It means when you are exploring a dark cave in a horror game, the shadows aren't a glowing, milky gray anymore. They are pitch, terrifying black. It means colors will pop with a vibrancy that rivals your high-end living room television. We are talking about a resolution that pushes past 4K per eye. Imagine looking at a virtual movie screen or reading a text message in mixed reality, and the text is as sharp, crisp, and flawless as it is on your physical smartphone right now. But a beautiful screen is absolutely useless if the lenses distort the image. The Quest 3 introduced pancake lenses, which were a game changer for clarity. The Quest 4 is taking those pancake lenses and supercharging them. We are talking about a significantly wider field of view. Instead of feeling like you are looking through a scuba mask, the edges of your vision will be pushed further back, tricking your brain into fully accepting the virtual environment. You won't just be looking at a virtual world. You will be entirely swallowed by it. Now listen to this, because this is where the Quest 4 completely separates itself from the pack. Processing power. To push all those millions of pixels, you need a monster of a chip. The Quest 4 is expected to house a custom-designed silicon powerhouse, likely a variant of Qualcomm's Snapdragon XR3 or an entirely bespoke processor built specifically for this headset. We are talking about raw graphical fidelity that rivals a plugged-in console, completely untethered. No wires tripping you up, no heavy gaming PC required. Developers will finally have the overhead to create sprawling, photorealistic open worlds, complex physics, and lighting systems that cast real-time shadows. Imagine playing a first-person shooter where the environments react exactly like the real world, where smoke behaves naturally, and where the character models look like they belong on a PlayStation 5, all running locally on a device strapped to your head. But Meta isn't just focused on locking you inside a digital box. Mixed reality is the true endgame. If you thought the full-color pass-through on the Quest 3 was cool, prepare to have your mind blown. The Quest 4 is drastically upgrading its camera arrays and depth sensors. The goal here is seamless, imperceptible blending of your physical room and the digital elements. The cameras will have higher dynamic range. This means you can stand in a brightly lit room with sunlight pouring through your windows,